MC-21, Russian and commercial jet aircraft under development, now progressing already actively. MC-21, Prestige, commercial jet plane ng Russia. Ay 19 May 2025, Monday, on YouTube.
An active side stick provides the pilot with a sensation of resistance and automatically moves to warn or assist during flight, allowing both pilots to sense the actions of the other. A passive side stick is incapable of
MC-21, commercial jet aircraft ng Russia, 2025, under development from past years till now, almost to be commercialized.
its comprehensive flight parameter monitoring system. The aircraft monitors more than 10 critical flight parameters, such as engine failures, G-forces, angle of attack,